Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online business with Google Ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, identify your niche or market for your online business. Research potential products or services that meet a clear need or demand. Analyze your competition to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Define your target audience and create buyer personas to guide your marketing. Register a domain name that reflects your business and is easy to remember. Choose a reliable web hosting service to ensure your website is always accessible. Set up an e-commerce platform or website builder that suits your needs. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for conversions. Create high-quality content to showcase your products or services effectively. Develop a strong brand identity, including a logo, color scheme, and voice. Open a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Familiarize yourself with the Google Ads interface and available tools. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Identify keywords that are relevant and have a high search volume. Create focused campaigns targeting specific products or services. Write compelling ad copy that highlights your unique selling points. Select the appropriate ad format, such as search ads, display ads, or video ads. Set a realistic budget and bidding strategy based on your goals. Launch your first campaign and monitor its performance closely. Make adjustments based on analytics to improve click-through rates and conversions. Experiment with different ad variations to see what resonates with your audience. Utilize remarketing strategies to target users who have previously interacted with your site. Track your return on investment to assess the profitability of your campaigns. Continually refine your approach based on data and market trends. Stay updated on Google Ads features and best practices to remain competitive. Regularly seek feedback from customers to enhance your offerings. Commit to ongoing learning and adaptation in the ever-evolving online marketplace. Focus on building long-term relationships with your customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.